Hello everybody, this is Celesta Matthews and today we are going to see some questions based on views, sequence and index. So let's see the first question. Create a view having book number as ID number, book name as book and price. So here is a query. Create view MVY1 as select book number as ID number, book name as book and price from book 1. So this will create the view. Now, the second question says that we have to insert values into the above view and observe the changes made in the master table. So, here we are inserting values into the view that we created right now. So, we'll write insert into MVY1 values. I've just given some random values and that's inserted into the table. Okay. Now the third one, update the above view by arranging the books in alphabetical order. So here we will write create or replace view MVY1 as select book number as ID number, book name as book and price from book 1 and order by book. So this will sort it in ascending order. The fourth question, drop the above view for the above table. So we will say drop view MVY1. Okay. Now the next question says to display the names of the books whose price is more than the average price from the above created view. So we will say create view V2 as select book.bookname, ISS record.ISS name and ISS record.member name from book and ISS record where book.booknumber is equal to ISS record.booknumber. Okay. I'm sorry, this is the sixth question, that is create the complex view having book names, issue date and membership numbers. So, just a minute. So, here is the output for here is the query for the fifth question. Select book from MVY where price is greater than select average price from MVY. So, this will give you the output that is required. So, here we have 4 books. Okay, the next question is based upon index. Evaluate the speed of access using index by creating index on book number attribute. So we can only evaluate the speed when we have a large database. So here we have just a small one. So we'll see how to create the index. So it's in create index IDX underscore book 1 on book and it is based on category. Okay, the next question is based upon sequence. Create the sequence for the student register number and generate the primary key automatically and check the efficiency. So here what we will be doing is we will be creating the primary keys automatically. That is, the register number will be created automatically and we will be inserting names into it. So the code goes like this. Create sequence underscore 111 start with 15681. So this has to be my starting value. Increment by 1 and max value has to be 9999 and cycle. It has to go in a cycle. So then what I am doing is I am creating a table and then I am inserting values into it. So this register number has to go in the order. So we will write sequence underscore 111 dot next val. So this will give me the values one by one. And you can see that here I am inserting all the values, and once I display you can see that the register number has come in order, that's 81, 82 and 83. So this is the use of sequence. The next question is also based upon sequence. Create the sequence for the student register number and generate the primary key, increment by 10. So the only difference we have over here is we have to write increment by 10. Okay, the next question is, again we are inserting values into it and I have displayed it over here. So it's 81, then incremented by 10 gives you 91 and then 701. So the last question, evaluate the speed of access using index by creating index for the student number attribute in the student table. So create index IDX on student and inside bracket you have to write department. So these are the queries. Hope you understood it. Thank you.